Frank here, sales coordinator at Dry Guys Basement Systems in Woodstown, New Jersey. Today we're going to talk about something that a lot of customers wonder. Do I really need to fix my foundation? Sometimes you may see a small crack in your basement wall, and that's not really concerning you, you ignore it. Or maybe you have a small puddle in the back corner of the basement and you don't think much about it because it hasn't bothered you or given you enough pain. When you live with a problem long enough, sometimes you become desensitized to it. But in a basement, that can actually be a fatal mistake. Cracked walls, leaking windows, sticking doors, sagging floors, puddles, all of these destroy your house over time. Foundation problems don't go away on their own and actually get worse over time if the underlying issue is not fixed. There are three parts of your life that actually are affected by these issues: your safety, your home's value, and lastly, your sanity. You may think that's an exaggeration until you wake up one day and that hairline crack in your basement wall is now a failing wall that's bowed in, where you try to sell your house and you're told that it's unsellable in the current condition. And who wants to get up in the middle of the night during a bad storm and deal with a flood in the basement once again? If you found signs of foundation problems in your house, there's a way to take care of them permanently, and you can even take proactive measures to protect the rest of your home that hasn't started showing symptoms yet. Taking this step is so important, especially if you plan on selling your house, which most of us do in our lifetimes. Someone wants to buy your house, they hire an inspector, and you'll have to complete a disclosure form. The form explains everything that you know is wrong with the home. Foundation problems are obvious to spot. They're ugly, scary, and you won't be able to hide them. This will scare away potential buyers, or if they do decide to buy, you'll have to sell your home for much less than you were expecting. Real estate agents report that these types of problems can lower your home's value from 15 to 30%. So yes, fixing your foundation costs money, but it will cost you more in the long run. You're going to have to fix it anyway, and it's going to be a much bigger project at that point because the problem has gotten worse. So fix your foundation problems. Don't wait until another family is moving in and you're forced to fix it for them. Fix it for yourself and give yourself that peace of mind. At Dry Guys, we have several patented systems that are specifically designed to deal with any problem we encounter in your foundation. We've been around for over 30 years, which is a big deal for a foundation repair contractor. And in the unlikely event that something were to happen to us, our products are backed by Basement Systems and Foundation Support Works. These are national networks that will continue to maintain your system and uphold your warranty. Give us a call or visit our website at dryguys.com. Thank you.